Muoroto wa thirikari gukinyaniria guthima andu aingi ta uria kwahotekana o muthenya urahurwo njeki ni wirutiri no tana wa andu a wendi mwega mabururi maria maigite Kenya ngoro-ini makiyumiria kuruta uteithio no tarani wige kurana murimu wa COVID-19 makirumirira utarani uria wirigite kurutwo ni ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri wa thi WHO wa ati bururi no nginyagia wikie neti hari kariku niguo kumenya aria manyitetwo ni murimu uyu kuma wa keri kiumia giki mubango wa thirikari wa guthima andu aingi ta uria kwahotekana ukoretwo ukiyukio na njira nene na kuheo uritu uria wagiriire.
We are really grateful that Kenya Airways has been able to come on board and assist us to the extent that they have. What lies ahead? What lies ahead is a challenge, and everybody knows that.
Iguru ria uteithio na kio kia iganda cia guku bururi-ini thirikari o ringi ni yamukirite kiondo kibeba-ine kia uteithio wa indo iria irabatarania guthima na kurigiriria COVID-19 na maski 500 muthemba wa 3ply na ingi 76,000 muthemba wa N95 ire guku bururi-ini kuma bururi-ini wa China. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe augite thirikari ni yakinyite handu ha kuhauka kumana na wagi wa indo njiganu cia kurana murimu uyu indi riu giko iki ni kimahete icoka makiria cia kuhota guthima a Kenya ingi ihinda rimwe.
We need to really start the testing capacity so that the contacts of those people who are positive can also be tested, and therefore we can be able to maintain and contain the pandemic.
Kuri na fata munene wa bururi gukorwo wihariirie kuigana riboti iri uma mabururi mangi iguru rigie tharikira ya COVID-19 thirikari yugite ni njiganu gutura turo na gibarua kinene gia kuruta.
And we keep praying to the Lord that we don't get there, but looking at what is happening around the world, we have reason to be concerned. We have reason to be prepared.
Hamwe na maski ici thirikari ni yamukirite cuba itanyiheire 200 cia gukua ithimi cia COVID-19 iratu cia mwanya 4,000 cia kwarukio ni arigitani aria mari kundu kuria kuri hatikaine nene na ingi 300 tiri harukagio thieta kunyagirio arigitani kundu gutiganite. Thirikari yaniriire ati kuma utuku wa umuthi borithi maracoka bara na mururumo munene kurumia watho wa kwa kuma nja Nairobi na icigo iria cimirigiceirie gukirikana kuri na kundu kuri na gatithio na muingi na urerera nja hatari kihariro. Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i ni urutite riathana riri akiamukira maski 10,000 kuma kuri ruhonge rwa iganda bururi-ini iria ikuhuthirwo ni maabitha a borithi rira mari wira-ini.
We are going to turn up the heat. Because from the reporting of the positive cases today, you can tell the clusters, the estates, which are now giving us problems, and estates which are likely to be hotspots shortly.
Bururi-ini ukanarire ngwataniro iria ikoretwo ho gatagati-ini ga Kenya na ruhonge rwa thi rwa ugima wa mwiri hamwe na ngwataniro njega ya mabururi maria makoretwo makinyitirira bururi ta China, Faranja na Ngeretha. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.